That's 30 seconds, right? I think we know. We know. Okay, now. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, damn. Go, Joe. Wow, look at Joe go. Go. Joe's eyelash came off. Too intense. Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. You ready? Come on, Darla. 2, 1, go! Wait, we have to count that one. We have to count. I don't know. Girls, take it off. Count it. Wait, count it. 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wait.
Okay, you got this.
Don't play. You got this. 1, go! It was supposed to go in there. There was 2.
Hi chat, this is NKS vlog YouTube channel slash mukbang slash yeah.
This is what day is it? Wednesday. So 3 days before comp and we're all sick. You're sick again. Coach Nancy's sick too. But I'm getting better eventually.
I'm not sick. I sound so much better.
That's your gym. Okay, the girls are practicing the tie because it's messy. Hey guys, this is the day before comp. It's 11. We should be sleeping, but the girls want spicy noodles, so I'm gonna cook that up for them. They're literally over here in my kitchen. They're vlogging too. So I'm making them noodles or whatever. I gotta get the egg, the boiled egg. But yeah, they were hungry. I literally asked them, I was like, guys, like, do you want to get food before we go home? And they were like, no, we're not hungry. Look, now they're hungry. So yeah, I'm just gonna make them a boiled egg.
Hey guys, it's 11 and we're eating.
You're supposed to be awake in like 2 hours.
But who cares? Hey guys, it's 5 and we're still getting ready. I woke up at 1:12, so
Dana, I need that too.
don't drop that. Hey guys, I'm the first one ready. And I'm laying down on Sadie's bed and yeah. So everybody's still getting ready. I'm crashing out.
And we haven't even gotten there yet. Why isn't this going?
And
Hey guys, it's comp day 1. I'm so scared. We're going to Merced right now. I'm gonna be there in 5 minutes. I bobby pin the heck out of my hat because my hat is too big and it keeps falling down. So guys, like, yeah. Guys, for some reason, I'm so nervous. Even though I did this in Stockton. By the way, I can't get this off, so I'm gonna compete with this on my hand. Like, that's so embarrassing. But even though we did this in Stockton, I'm still low-key scared. But guys, I'm so nervous, you guys. But today is Hmong round, and then the next one is freestyle. Also, low-key, I'm getting not like sick, but like I'm getting a cold. Also I stacked my lashes. One was not enough, so I had to put 2. I put it on the bottom, and then I also put it on the top. So I put top and bottom. We low-key made so many changes last minute, not like last minute, but like this week. We made changes like this week. Let's hope it. Also, I have nail polish all on my hand, and I'm gonna just have to perform with it. And also, I don't have nails on. But it's whatever, I guess. Okay, bye guys.
So we are at Merced. And the girls are right here. We're waiting. They're like behind schedule. It's like what, 10:30? Right? Almost 10:30. And we're supposed to start at 10. And not everyone's here too, so. Yep, so the waiting game. Some of these girls are sleeping behind.
Merced vlog. And big one. And look what Joe's doing right now. Katie has toenails right now. Look at her BTS songs. Ew.
already so bad, but basically we're up after. I think we're up after 5 more teams. And I feel so sick. I'm literally gonna throw up. Hey guys, we just got off the stage together. Guys, it was so tired. Cat needs to go throw up. She's outside.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, wait, who's making? This food, baby. Girl, you're not dead.
Hey guys, so I got pork belly and I got Thai tea, and I was craving this. In Stockton, I didn't record a lot, so in Merced, I record a lot. Oh, what is this? Okay. Hey guys, so I just got back to the hotel because we need to get ready for practice, and I need to take this off. But guys, look at my freaking hair, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Why are you doing that?
We're trying to get a yacht.
We're trying to grow yacht. Like this. I get the big one. Oh my god! Oh my guts are huge! Look at her legs! Look at her legs! Don't look at her legs! Look at that one! Look at her! Think that's enough. Wow, her legs are like this. What? So they're like. Oh gosh, try this.
Hey guys, so now I'm at practice. And my team isn't here, so practice is over. Actually, it was done like 30 minutes earlier, just because like personal reasons, but like still. So it's 8 o'clock. I need to pack everything because right after New Year's tomorrow, we're leaving and we're going home. Yeah. Guys, I'm so scared for tie round because I keep messing up. I keep messing up this. But I better not mess up tomorrow or else I'm going to tweak out on stage and I'm actually going to mess up the entire routine. I keep messing that up. And I keep messing up this thing. Anyways, it's 8 o'clock and I'm almost done packing. I just need to pack for my Thai stuff. Because tomorrow's freestyle, so we have to wear Thai clothes. So yeah. Guys, tell me why I was taking off my makeup and I ripped out my lashes right here. See how they're literally gone? Okay guys, but yeah, look at my hair and how much it's been through today. Guys, it's now freestyle round 2 day. So I have to get my base done. It's 3 in the morning and I woke up at 2 a.m. Okay, yeah. But I'm technically done. Right now I just need to set my piece. And then I'm going to go put on my outfit. And then go to Sadie's room.
Hey guys, it is second day of comp and I'm so tired. I just finished all the girls' makeup and we're gonna eat breakfast right now.
Guys, this outfit is a pain to put on. Oh my god. We bedazzled it, bro. Look. Oh my god. I'm done. So now I have to safety pin it, or else I'm gonna step on it while I'm dancing. We don't want that. Oh my gosh, here's the full fit. Literally ripped out in silver. Like, look at this. And this the back. And this is my entire fit. Oh shoot, I forgot it.
This is us at Merced Hmong New Year Day 2. So where's Coach Nancy? Oh, Coach Nancy's using the restroom, so we'll record later. But this is the girls before comp, so we're gonna ask them how they feel. How did you feel?
Embarrassed.
I'm very nervous. No?
I feel cold.
How do you feel? You?
What was the question?
How do you feel?
I feel cold. I feel good.
You feel good?
I feel glittery.
Glittery?
Cold.
Cold?
Shiny.
Shiny?
I feel like Sadie Rain. I feel excited.
I'm excited.
Wait, what?
How do you feel?
Oh. I feel good. Not really.
How do you feel, Coach
I
Ashley?
feel nervous for them.
I know. I feel nervous, but very excited. They look really pretty.
No, honestly, I feel tired after.
Oh yeah, I feel sick. Obviously, look at this. Oh yeah. Okay, say bye, vlog. Girl, say bye. Bye.
So today we are here at the New Year.
Why is your voice so deep? Look at all the glitter that we put on our body. Dad. What? Why not? Scooch you, Audrey. We're literally so glittery, guys, and my mom is holding my phone for me. Okay. This is it for the vlog, and then we'll come back after we perform. We're number 17, I think.
17. You guys were 17.
Again?
Well, you guys were 17 yes?
I love my makeup.
Yeah.
I can't something. 1, 2, 3, Ntxhais Kaj
生日讓我有中插了，有個電視對了。
So we are going home now after announcements. Look at the moms taking pictures of their daughters. They're so cute.
So it's the end of comp. I took off everything outside of my car because I did not want to wear it inside on the way home. But basically, I had to stand up there for 10 minutes and I had to smile like, why is there a bathroom right there? Guys, my lips was getting shaky. It was like this. And I was like, oh my god, this is so embarrassing. So guys, we did not place and we do not know our score. We have to wait a couple days.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, but anyways, guys, when we were performing our Thai dance, all of our stuff came off. Like my necklace broke. I was tripping on my dress.
Someone lost 2 flowers.
And oh yeah, someone lost flowers. Someone lost their armband. Okay, guys, but I will end the vlog there. Very good competition. Guys, every single team was so good. Like, it was so competitive. Every team.